Have you ever heard people talk about a recession and wondered what it really means? Don't worry, I'll explain it in plain language. By the end of this video, you'll know what a recession is, why it happens, what impact it has on everyday life, and how people and countries can deal with it. So, what exactly is a recession? A recession is when a country's economy slows down for a while. That means businesses are selling less, people are spending less, and jobs become harder to find. Think of it like this. If the economy were a car, a recession is when that car is not running at full speed. It is moving slowly, or even stalling for a period of time. Now, why does a recession happen? There are a few common reasons.
Too little spending. If people and businesses cut back on spending, shops and companies earn less.
When they earn less, they may hire fewer workers, and that creates a cycle of slowdown. Charlie or crises. Sometimes outside events, like a global pandemic, natural disasters, or sudden oil price spikes, can push the economy into trouble. High costs. When it becomes too expensive to borrow money, build houses, or run businesses, growth slows down.
Uncertainty.
If people feel worried about the future, they often hold on to their money instead of spending it. This caution can drag the economy down further. So, what happens during a recession? The effects can be felt by almost everyone. Job losses. Companies may lay off workers or freeze hiring. People might get fewer hours at work, smaller raises, or no raises at all. Tough times for businesses. Small shops and even large companies may close if sales stay low. Less confidence. Families may postpone buying homes, cars, or even daily treats, which makes the slowdown worse. In short, a recession can feel like a heavy cloud over the economy, affecting wallets, confidence, and even moods. But here's the good news. Recessions don't last forever. Both individuals and governments can take steps to soften the impact. For people, it helps to have savings, reduce unnecessary expenses, and build skills that make you more employable. These steps give you more security during uncertain times. For government, leaders often step in by lowering taxes, providing financial help, or investing in projects that create jobs. This puts money back into people's hands so the economy can pick up speed again. So to sum up, a recession is simply a slowdown in the economy. It happens for reasons like reduced spending, high costs, or outside shocks. The impact can be tough with fewer jobs, less income, and struggling businesses. But with smart planning and patience, both individuals and nations can make it through and come out stronger on the other side. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand explanations.